What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Honor Pad 9 and the Honor Pad 9 smart Bluetooth keyboard with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of the tablet. We will also have a look on the keyboard itself and we will go through the design, features, build quality, camera, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box of the Honor Pad 9. Here at the top we got the image of the tablet showing the display, and here we got the Honor Pad 9 branding that comes with nice golden and rainbow color effect, so it is looking very premium. Here we got the information that the Honor Pad 9 comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the color variant we got is space gray. And here on the back you can see that the Honor Pad 9 comes with high-res audio certification for both wired and wireless connectivity. We got TUV Rainline low blue light certification that is hardware based, and also the TUV Rainline flicker free certification. It also comes with Google Kids Space, so along with the grown-up consumers, Honor is also targeting the kids with the Honor Pad 9, and it comes with a 12.1-inch display. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Honor Pad 9 in a space gray. Here we got the quick start guide, warranty card, etc. So all of these space here are empty, as you can see, because this is a review unit. We just got the quick start guide, user manual, but in your retail box you will also find a 35-watt charger along with a USB Type-C cable. But as you can see, the only thing we got here is the Honor Pad 9 along with these quick start guide, user manuals, etc. So here is the Honor Pad 9 in a space gray. I'm going to switch on the device and do the setup, and after that we will have a detailed look on our device here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Honor Pad 9. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a huge 12.1-inch display with 88% screen to body ratio. So we got a bit of bezels all around the display, but as you can see, the bezels are symmetrical on all four sides and the bezels are thick enough to hold the device without touching the display, but it could be a bit less, but it's still not bad at all. While holding the device horizontally, at the top center of the bezel you will find the front facing camera. On the right side we got the USB Type-C port along with speaker grills, and on the left side we got two more speaker grills. At the bottom we got 4 more speaker grills, so on Honor Pad 9 we got total 8 speakers. And here on the back you can see that it comes with Honor branding. We got this regulatory information and this camera module that looks quite beautiful and premium and kind of reminds me of the camera on the back of OnePlus Pad, considering the fact that on both back on the front side the camera comes on the horizontal position. Honor is suggesting that the Honor Pad 9 is supposed to be used horizontally, but of course you can use it in the vertical format as well while reading the books, etc. At the top we got the volume rockers, power button and 2 of the microphones. So as you can see, it does not come with a 3.5mm jack or a micro SD card slot, and since this is a Wi-Fi only tablet, it does not come with a SIM card slot as well. The frame is made of aluminum and the same goes with the back as well. So the build quality is pretty solid. It does not come with any kind of IP certification. There is no protection on the screen like Gorilla Glass, etc. as well. But still, considering the price segment, the build quality looks pretty solid, and because of the minimalistic design, it looks quite premium as well, as it weighs just 555 grams and it is 7mm thick. So it is pretty lightweight, slim, and it is looking beautiful and premium as well. The Honor Pad 9 also comes with this smart Bluetooth keyboard. So this is the Honor Pad 9 smart Bluetooth keyboard we got here. So as you can see that it comes with the Honor branding. We got this cutout for the rear camera. On the side we got the USB Type-C port and the power button to switch on this smart cover here. And here you can see that it comes with the keyboard, this flexible hinge, and here we got the magnet to attach our Honor Pad 9. Let me quickly show you how it works. First we will have to set up the tablet. Once you put the tablet inside the slot here, then you can just put it like this. This is magnetic, as you can see, so it will be stable. It won't fall off the keyboard here. Pretty nice, and you can use the keyboard, and once you are done you can just put it like this. So this is a nice accessory that we got here for Honor Pad 9. I will make a separate video in depth talking about this particular case itself. So if you're interested knowing more about the Honor Pad 9 smart Bluetooth keyboard, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. Talking about the display, we got a 12.1-inch IPS LCD display with 1600 x 2560 pixel resolution with 88% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 250 with 1 billion color reproduction and 120 Hz refresh rate. Even with 250 PPI, the display is quite sharp and beautiful. The colors are very well saturated, looks punchy. The sharpness is nice as well, and the viewing angles are quite nice as you can see here. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 500 nits. It's not too much, perfect for indoor usage, but if you try to use the device in bright sunny outdoors, you might feel a bit issue. But in indoors, it's perfectly fine and actually quite nice. As we have seen, it comes with multiple TV Rhineline certifications. So what we got here for the eye care, we got the eye comfort and sleep mode. So it comes with circadian night display that automatically adjusts the color temperature to provide a nice viewing experience. We got the dynamic dimming that also adjusts the screen brightness. It comes with ebook mode that turns the screen into black and white to provide a nice reading experience just like a real book. And once again, you can adjust the color temperature, use the sleep mode, and it also comes with smart resolution with video enhancer that is supported by TikTok and YouTube to provide a nice viewing experience in this app with better video quality. In terms of refresh rate, we got the option to select dynamic or high, or you can select up to 60 Hz only. So that will be quite useful while playing games or just going through the device UI, etc. As you can see, the user interface is really smooth. You can give the credit to the 120 Hz refresh rate as well as the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor we got here. It comes with 8GB RAM with Honor RAM Turbo technology that includes 8GB virtual RAM to Honor Pad 9. Talking about the software side, it comes with Android 13 with Magic OS 7.2. So this is the user interface. As you can see that it comes with Google Play Store and Google applications pre-installed. What we got here is a dock at the bottom that allows you to quickly launch some application, and it also remembers the applications that you use frequently to quickly launch them right from the home screen itself. It comes with a YoYo suggestion widget that once again suggests you some games, tools and applications that you can use on Honor Pad 9. We got the Honor's App Market, My Honor. Here we got the Game Center, Clock, Files, System Manager, Tips, and under Tools you will find Contacts, Weather, Calculator, Recorder. If you go to the settings, here you can see that the Honor Pad 9 comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity. We have already seen the display one. It comes with Honor Connect that allows you to connect your Honor devices with each other to transfer the files between them, get the notification from one device to another, answer the call coming on your smartphone to the tablet as well. This kind of smart features are available on Honor Pad 9. If you got some Honor devices like the Honor smartphone or the laptop, then you can connect them with your Honor Pad 9 here to improve your productivity. It comes with YoYo Assistant. You got plenty of smart features like shortcut and gestures, multi-window that of course is going to help you in better productivity and allows you to utilize the huge screen we got here on Honor Pad 9. So as we have seen earlier, the Magic OS is quite feature rich, comes with lots of options and settings, and same goes with the Honor Pad 9 as well. It comes with a huge 8300 mAh battery with 35 watt charging, so even on heavy usage, the Honor Pad 9 can easily survive for one full day, but I would personally prefer if the charger provided was a bit more than 35 watt to charge the battery quickly, considering the large capacity battery we got here. Now talking about the camera, the Honor Pad 9 comes with 8 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps, and on the back we got a 13 megapixel camera that can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode, we got the portrait mode that comes with beautification. If you go to video, you can see that we can record 1080p resolution videos up to 30 fps, we can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps as well, and even for 720p HD, the only possible FPS available is 30. so there is no 60 FPS recording at all. And if you go to more, here you can see that it comes with scan document, photo, time lapse and watermarks as well. So once again, the camera on any tablet is primarily used just for taking pictures of some random notes, scanning the documents, etc. So I'm not going to talk about a lot, but considering that we got a 13 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera, they will be good enough for taking video call, scanning the documents, etc. for sure. So overall, the Honor Pad 9 is looking a pretty nice tablet considering its price segment and all of the features, options and hardware it provides. It comes with a huge 12.1-inch 120Hz refresh rate display with 1 billion color reproduction. We got a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and Magic OS 7.2 that is customized for huge screen of Honor Pad 9 for better productivity. We also got massive 8300 mAh battery, but comparatively slow charging of 35 watt only, and the slim metal unibody design looks quite beautiful and premium. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Honor Pad 9 like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.